Sit down and make yourself comfortable. Close your eyes and begin to focus on your breath, slowing your breathing down so that it becomes deeper with each inhale. Feel your feet on Mother Earth. On the soles of your feet, you can feel roots sprouting out. These roots spread and go deep down into Mother Earth, deeper and deeper, until you reach the centre where your roots touch and embed themselves into a ball of golden light. As you breathe in, feel this light travelling up through your roots, up through the soles of your feet, up through your legs, your body, down your arms, and back up through your neck and your head. The light then travels up through the crown in your head, up into the cosmos. And there it meets with another white silver light. As you breathe in, feel this white silver light travelling down from the cosmos and surrounding your whole body in an egg of pure light. You are grounded and connected to Mother Earth, and also open to the cosmos, protected by a shield of pure white light. Medicine woman. What do you intuitively think of when I say those words? Does an image come to mind? The medicine woman will look different in each one of us. So what does she look like to you? Is she dressed in a particular colour? Does she have any markings, symbols or tattoos? And does she carry any of her tools with her? The medicine woman is often seen as a wise woman, a visionary, a seer. She is the healer, the shaman, the midwife, the herbalist, the priestess, the witch. The medicine woman is a natural healer, and she has some understandings of the natural remedies that Mother Earth has to offer us. She is compassionate and nurturing like a mother, and that also includes mothering and nurturing the animal and plant kingdoms too. The medicine woman stands strong in her power. The masculine and feminine energies within her are in balance. She is the empath and able to feel and sense the emotional blockages in others and also of the world around her. She knows when to rest her energies, to cleanse and protect herself. The medicine woman does not fear her shadow self. Instead, she acknowledges and seeks natural ways to heal her mind, body and spirit, knowing it is in the transformation of working with the shadow that she can indeed heal those parts and bring them into the light. The medicine woman practices her medicine, and through her own journey, her own life experiences, she is able to bring her medicine forward to help heal her community. So now that you have some understanding of who you are as the medicine woman, we will journey to the spirit of your chosen animal guide and ask, how can your spirit help me stay strong and face my own challenges as I continue to learn and grow?